This is Real Bear, and welcome to the Three-Wave Dance DJ and Playlist Creation Workbook and Workshop. And we're just going to have a short video here just to go over some Spotify basics. You might know how to work Spotify, and some of this still may be new to you. So just check it out, and if you want to read along, you can go to page 2 of the workbook, and these steps will be in the workbook. So let's just jump right in. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a folder. So you want to look up here and see that it says Your Library on your Spotify and go to this Create menu. We're going to come down here where you see we can create a playlist, we can blend, we can jam, but we're going to create a folder. And as you scroll down, you'll see the folder somewhere in this column on the left. We're going to click on that, and now the folder's empty. So next we're going to create some playlists. These 3 dots right here are the ones we want to choose when we're in a folder, because the playlist will show up right in the folder. And I'm just going to name this 1, save it, create another one, click on it, name it 2, save it, and I'll do one more. So with 3 dots, come down, create playlist, come over here, click on the name it, whatever you want to name it, save, and now we have 3 playlists in our folder. So now let's go find some songs. And these are some recently played songs or from one of my other playlists. Let's just look at how to do this. We're going to select all these songs and drag them over, and now they're in this playlist. I could also drag individual songs over to a playlist, and I can drag songs into here and rearrange it like that. I could choose a new playlist, and you got to start over by dragging it over on this side. And then I can drag other songs in like this. And notice right now this is set to custom order. And if we're building a playlist we want to play for some people or ourselves, that's what we're going to want. But there's other options. If we were creating a playlist just to store certain types of songs and not be a playlist we actually listen to at an event or something like that, then you could choose duration, which would organize it from shortest song to longest song, or choose it again, and it would organize it from longest song to shortest song, which could be is really easy for when you're trying to find a song of a specific time frame. Okay, now let's go up and check out this menu. So it says sort alphabetically. Now if I had it on recent, 3 would come up at the top, or recents. But I want alphabetical because that makes it easier to take advantage of the sorting options and find things later. We go over to here on this menu, these icons, and you can shuffle. So when you play it, they'll play in different orders, which is kind of fun. It's like having a radio. You can just download it automatically to your playlist, and then it'll have this little arrow by it. And that's really useful if you're in a situation where you don't have Wi-Fi. You'll still have access to your playlist. We can click on this to invite collaborators. And these 3 dots are full of options. We can edit the details. We can write something. If you can spell or type. And we could change the photo. We could change the name, all by that menu. We'll go over more of these options in the book. But if you want to share this right now, you can copy the link, the playlist, and then you can email it to yourself or email it to a friend. See, the link has been copied to the clipboard. So we've gone over the Create menu. which is just a great place to create a folder. These three dots to create another playlist. You could even create a folder within a folder. And this is the play button, shuffle, download, lots of options we'll get to later. Setting to custom or duration, so you can move things around. And then over here on the side, we have the queue. So this is the last thing I had playing. Recently played, Always Ever songs. We could also just select all these and drag them into the playlist too, or one song at a time. So this tells you if you already have a song added and you don't want to add it. We don't want the same song again. And then down here, we have, you can see the queue or make the queue go away. You can connect it to another device. Here you have a volume control, minimize the window and maximize the window for full screen. And that's it. That's our tour. So I hope you found this useful and you feel more empowered to work with Spotify, which is an amazing tool for making music and sharing music with people. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop. Bye now.